kineMaster makes it easy to create incredible videos, download and re-edit video templates, and many more. In this kineMaster tutorial, I'll walk you through how to create a complete kineMaster account on an Android device. To create a kineMaster account, first tap the Me icon, tap Create an Account. First, enter your email address. Tap Next. Now open your Gmail apps. Copy the code. Tap Next. Set a password on your kineMaster apps. Tap Next again. Enter your username. Tap Next. After that, your account will be created. Also remember that you can always use your Google account or an Apple account to create a kineMaster app on your mobile device. Alright everyone, that's how you can create a kineMaster account on Android. If you have any questions, please ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.